Or do you use a smart diffuser to do smart diffusing?
Yeah, and to be smart.
To be smart. Well, or if you're diffusing, do you get smart by diffusing?
Yeah.
Smart diffusing. It's Hunt for Wellness, episode number 155.
In the Hunt for Wellness podcast, we talk about mind, body, and spirit because that's what people are made of. They're made of a body, a mind, and a spirit. And we want each of those to be fully functioning, fully nurtured, to live a healthy, full, living your best life.
Hello and welcome to Hunt for Wellness. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Christy Hunt.
And this is the show where we help you live your best life, mind, body, and spirit. And this episode of Hunt for Wellness is brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines providing great water for your great wellness. Check it out at waterdistillers.com. Okay, smart diffusing.
Yes.
Do they have like a really high grade point average or do you use a smart diffuser to do smart diffusing?
Yeah, and to be smart.
To be smart. Well, or if you're diffusing, do you get smart by diffusing?
Yeah. Actually, you do. It's really good for your brain.
Okay. That's a good place to start.
Yeah, and they've done some research, especially on aging people that aren't smelling very good. And actually, when you're not smelling very good, your brain matter goes down. The white matter and gray matter goes down.
Oh, when I'm not smelling very good, it's because I've been at the gym.
Okay.
But anyway, that's okay. Yeah, I know.
Yes. And then they did a study showing they compared people who had aromatherapy for 2 hours a night versus those that did not. They did a research study, and the people that did had cognitive improvement.
Wow.
By just diffusing 2 hours at night.
Yeah, aromatherapy. I mean, that really is a big term that's out there.
Right.
And, we've done some episodes on diffusing. If you go over to hunt4wellness.com and go to this episode, which is number 155 in the show notes, we will link you to our other diffusing, because we're not going to really talk about how to diffuse, are we?
Well, you use a diffuser.
Yes,
That's what
I
you
know.
do
So there must be something different for smart diffusing, right?
Right. So not only does it make you smarter.
Yes, good. I could use that.
But like a smartphone, you can use your phone to diffuse.
You can diffuse from your phone?
Yes, you can.
Whoa, now you got my attention.
All you have to do is connect to the app that connects to the new 2 smart diffusers that we have. One is Luna Mist that you just plug into a wall. And you can have it in like your kitchen, a bathroom. You can have it in the hallway. And you can either turn it on manually, run it manually, or you can use your smartphone. It's
kind of like those, remote control thermostats.
Yes.
So you and the remote control cameras, you look into your house, you see that, it is like 50 degrees. We're not there right now. It's 50 degrees. We better turn up the thermostat, and you do it on your phone. But this is, it's called the Internet of Things, IoT. That's a buzzword out there. But, you would expect diffusers to get into the game.
Yes.
And I wanted to use the line, there's an app for that.
Yes,
and there is, because that's how you control it, right? So
right, Aroma Connect is
Aroma Connect. By the way,
this is the first of its kind too.
It really is. I've never seen. We actually got one at the convention because it was just released, and
there's 2 different diffusers.
Yeah, well, there's the regular diffuser you just plug in your wall, literally, and it replaces all those plug-in air fresheners. Except this time you're diffusing, but interesting, no water.
No water.
How does that work?
So there's a little compartment that you take the lid off of your essential oil bottle. You screw it onto this top.
Oh, wow.
That there's a little tube that goes down into the bottle.
Yeah.
And then you screw that back together and you put it you slide it into the compartment and then it just diffuses right from the bottle.
Wow. Factory direct, straight from the bottle.
Well, and what's so nice about that, it's very convenient because you're not having to set up your diffuser every time you want to use it.
And you're also saying, where's the peace and calming? Who took it?
Right.
Right.
It's already in the diffuser.
Already in the diffuser. You can just say, one moment here.
Or
click your phone.
You don't even have to do that. You can set a schedule.
Ooh.
So you can set a bedtime routine for the night one.
Yeah.
The alarm. There's an alarm clock. It's a 4-in-1.
Ooh.
Like alarm clock, diffuser, light.
And is there a name for that one?
Yes. It's called the Aroma Connect Wake Up Light Diffuser.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We have that one too, by the way. It starts out, we have the morning setting. Starts out with the birds chirping a little bit.
Yes, you can have different sounds.
Yes. And then, it's like the sunrise. The light comes on and it's kind of a hazy yellow, and then it gets yellower. And
it's a gradual light. There is another wake up light alarm
setting?
Clock on the market. A different brand.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a diffuser with it, but it also, you have to have a subscription.
Really? You have to subscribe to that one?
You have to subscribe if you want like the sounds, different sounds and stuff like that. And so there is no subscription with this.
Wow.
There is the app and you can choose things off of the app, but that's free.
Oh, that's great.
So, and there's like ocean waves and thunderstorm and rain and birds and different things. And so you can have it for nighttime, like calming down.
Yeah.
You can set your nighttime routine, which is really good. This whole thing is to help people sleep well.
Yeah.
To go to sleep nice and calmly and peacefully.
Yeah.
And then to wake up kind of seamlessly like you would if your shades were up and the sun was coming into the room.
Yeah.
But often we have to get up before the sun gets up.
Yeah.
So this wakes you up with light like the sun would.
Yeah. And on that wake up light diffuser, the one you keep in your bedroom,
yes,
has a little big numbered alarm, clock settings on it. But it also holds 2 different bottles.
Right.
So you can have a morning bottle and an evening bottle, like you do peace and calming at night, but maybe something like cedarwood or
citrus fresh in the morning.
Yeah.
Or if you really want to perk up, peppermint.
Yeah.
Or clarity.
Yeah. Lemon would be a good one.
Yeah. These would be great oils to energize you.
Yep.
Give you mental clarity. They're uplifting.
Mm-hmm.
But you don't want peppermint at night.
No, that
because you want to
defeat the purpose.
You want to go to sleep. You want to calm down.
Right.
So lavender or peace and calming or Roman chamomile, those kinds of ones. So that's why they have 2 different diffuser bottles that you can have in there.
Now, do you have the one that you plug into the wall? You have the one for the bedroom, the wake up light one.
Right.
Now, does the one app control both of them?
Yes.
Oh, so how many? And you can do multiple ones. You could have a diffuser in different rooms.
Right.
Right?
You can.
So you hear your baby in their room kind of fussing a little bit, and you don't have to go in there and set the diffuser. You just, I'm going to put on some more peace and calming.
Right.
That's kind of a neat application. Yeah, a lot of.
Yeah.
Or you could have it set up, say you were driving home from work and you want that great fresh smell of geranium or something. When you walk in you just go on the app, boom, and you can have it pre-diffuse for 15, 20 minutes before you get home, and you walk in and boy,
smells so good.
Smells like a garden. And
you can also program that Luna Mist diffuser to go off when you want it to go off. Yeah. So if you're getting home at, let's say, at 5:30 p.m. every day, and you want it to go off at 5:15 and run for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, and it runs kind of different than the other diffusers that we have. It's like intermittent.
Yeah, little spurts of it.
Because it is just straight essential oil.
Yeah, that's really neat.
Yeah.
Smells great.
And there's a low, medium, or high setting.
Mm-hmm.
So you can decide how much you want. And different oils have different intensities.
Yeah.
So I found that when I diffuse lemon, just in the hallway, I could barely smell it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. But when I was diffusing abundance, that was great.
Well, with a name like abundance, you'd want an abundance of smell.
I know. And it's just so positive, so uplifting, so encouraging. Stress away. I needed to have less. I didn't need as much stress away because that is also a very strong, powerful oil. But love that. It smells
so good. Yeah.
It really does. And so this is also in place of those other
plug-in like electric, whatever they are.
Plug-in
air fresheners
that are really
not good. They're chemicals.
They're harsh chemicals, and actually they can make you not feel good. Yeah. I have sat by one at a place and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get away from this. I'm not feeling good sitting next to that because there are chemicals in there that aren't good for you.
Yeah.
So you don't have that. You don't have a waxy mess like with candles.
Yeah.
Or the danger of having candles around.
Yeah.
With fire.
So many great applications. Really, and know, I have a feeling that this is just the beginning of these smart diffusing devices. There's probably going to be other ones coming out, and they'll probably all work from the app, and you can have them in different locations, and they each have their own little ID number. So you go, I'm going to turn the one on the kid's bedroom, and you go on the app and do that. It's really really nice.
Yep.
So good. Now, did we talk about the benefits of diffusing? I know we told people to go to hunt4wellness.com, episode number 155, which is this one. We'll have links to our diffusing episodes, but you want to just kind of recap on the diffusing benefits, because diffusing really is what it's all about. Exactly.
And it supports your brain.
Mm-hmm.
It supports clear thinking. It supports mood.
Mm-hmm.
You can really improve your mood. It depends upon the oil that you're using. It can support the immune system. So you can go on the Young Living website and also look up different oils, and it can tell you what to do or what they're for, what the oils are used for. You can also reach out to us to ask what it is for, what to use, what oil would help you in a certain situation.
Right. We even have some of those diffusing recipes too, but that probably wouldn't work in this particular case unless you pre-mixed them in another bottle, right? Because that's a few drops of this and a few drops of that. But, over at Hunt4Wellness.com, there's a blue connect button. If you have any questions about diffusing, recipes, these new smart diffusers, which are so cool. We just love it. Just reach out to us and we can help you out and get you smart.
Absolutely.
Just like us.
Get smarter.
Yeah. Well, this episode of Hunt for Wellness is brought to you by waterdistillers.com. Great machines providing great water for your great wellness. And you can find out more at waterdistillers.com. And if I had my phone here, I would go and click on that peace and calming because I want to relax now.
It's already going.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good. We set it and forget it, right? But don't forget to come back for our next episode of Hunt for Wellness.